Welcome back to the channel. If you're passionate about tractors and Indian farming updates, don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for the latest reviews and comparisons. Today, we're going to talk about the 2025 model of the Mahindra 575D XP Plus, a tractor that has become a trusted companion for Indian farmers due to its power, durability, and fuel efficiency. This tractor is a perfect blend of performance and practicality, making it one of the most popular choices in the 47 HP category. The Mahindra 575D XP Plus 2025 is powered by a strong 4-cylinder, 2,979cc engine that delivers 47 horsepower. It comes with Mahindra's latest ELS extra long-stroke engine, which ensures better power delivery and higher torque, making it ideal for both tough agricultural operations and haulage tasks. This engine gives excellent backup torque and fuel economy, which is a huge plus for farmers who are looking to cut down operating costs while getting maximum performance in the field. This tractor is equipped with an 8 forward plus 2 reverse gear system that allows smooth shifting and flexibility across various applications. It also features a dual-acting power steering system, which makes maneuvering easier, especially in tight field conditions. The partial constant mesh gearbox ensures smoother gear engagement and long-lasting performance. The 2025 model also comes with an improved hydraulics system offering a lifting capacity of up to 1,500 kg. This is more than enough for handling heavy implements like cultivators, plows, disc harrows, and even small trolleys. The advanced ADDC automatic draft and depth control system ensures uniform tilling and consistent working depth, giving better results and fuel savings. Another great advantage of this model is its modern and comfortable design. Mahindra has focused on farmer comfort by providing a spacious operator area, side shift gear lever for easy handling, and a comfortable seat for long working hours. It also has a dry-type air cleaner and a coolant-cooled engine for longer engine life and efficient operation even under tough climatic conditions. In terms of brakes, it comes with oil-immersed multi-disc brakes, which provide better control and longer life compared to traditional brakes. The 2025 version has also improved safety features and better grip tires for more traction in muddy or loose soil conditions. Maintenance of this tractor is also farmer-friendly. With accessible service points, durable spare parts, and Mahindra's strong after-sales network, the 575D XP Plus offers peace of mind to its owners. The tractor also comes with a solid warranty and service plan in 2025, making it a great investment for long-term use. In short, the Mahindra 575D XP Plus 2025 is a well-rounded tractor suitable for Indian farms of all sizes. It is powerful, fuel-efficient, and comfortable, making it the perfect choice for modern farming needs. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, please like the video, share it with your fellow farmers, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more such tractor reviews and updates.